Hey cruisers, welcome aboard the Anthem of the Seas. This is Stateroom 6168 in Oceanview balcony that is partially obstructed, but this is the layout for a balcony room. Now there are a lot of things layout wise on the Quantum class that I don't love, but the staterooms are not one of them. As you see, there isn't really a closet space. You have these two hang up areas with drawers underneath them on both sides of the bed. Across from the bed, you have your TV and your desk area across from the couch, which also has a trundle underneath it. We'll show you those now. There's your couch with your trundle underneath it. And of course, on the other side, you're gonna have your cooler, some more storage area there, a lamp, and then of course you have your vanity mirror and your desk where all your plugs are. So looking at the desk area, one thing I noticed immediately is that the plugs are exposed here, but there's no drawers. So normally you'll have 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers on the desk, plus you have the mirrors going down the sides where you have doors that open up and you can have more storage. There's none of that here. The only storage other than the closets behind me is the chest of drawers currently below you. The nice thing about this layout is that it completely removes that weird closet area, so you get more room in the stateroom, and then your bathroom is kind of opened at an angle over there. So we'll walk to the bathroom and then I'll show you the balcony. So the bathroom. Your bathroom opens up and you have that nice tube shower in front of you, and this one is actually a really good size. This is the first class of ship where they started this, and I was really happy about the change from this over the Jetson style tube showers that were the double doors that kind of close on you that felt really small. Then you have some shelving over there for storage on the side. You also have some towel rack over here. And then you can see you just have your normal sink vanity area. And then another shelf down there. And of course your toilet area. But this angled entryway into the bathroom and from the room makes the room feel just so much bigger and so much more open. So let's head on to the balcony and check out this obstructed balcony view. Okay, so looking outside, that is your obstruction, and then here is the balcony, just so you can see what we're looking at. So not exactly the largest balcony, but the obstruction is actually below the level of the balcony rail for the most part. So you can look down next to the ship, but I mean, look at that view. You can look out from the ship and see the beautiful ocean, maybe the Sydney Opera House if this is where you're at, or whatever beautiful port you happen to be at that day. So while there is an obstruction, this is fine for us. We booked this as a GTY room to see what we would get, and this is what it looks like. So this is looking across the balcony. You can see there's really room for the 2 chairs and your little table here, with maybe some room for a few more people to stand in front of you. So you're not gonna get a ton of people on this balcony, but judging by the room category you booked, you probably don't have a ton of people with you. Well, I hope you found this room tour helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and we appreciate that. As always, you can book using the QR code right here to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you, maybe even on board the Anthem of the Seas. As always, we appreciate you guys so much, and we will see you on the next one.